Tuesday with Stefan. How's it going, guys? Stefan here. Welcome back for another video. Super excited for today, as always. Today we have something cool. We have a Native Union night cable. Now you're thinking, okay, Stefan, but this is just a cable. Yes, but I'm gonna ask you a question. How often you buy a cable for your smartphone and etc.? I mean, after maybe 1 or 2 months, you need to buy a new cable. This company is a big deal because very durable, as you can see here. It's a stronger, 6 times stronger than your normal cable that you have. How much is the Apple cable? About 20 British pounds. Yeah, the original Apple cable is like 20 pounds, like $15-20. And what, after 1-2 months the cable is gone, breaks down the connection, and you need to buy a new cable. The price of this bad boy is about 30-35 British pounds, but this is a 6 times stronger, and the length is 3 feet, which is 10 feet, which is 3 meters, which that's plenty enough, if you ask me. So let's have a look this bad boy. As you can see here, but I'm gonna show you in a second. Let me open this. And on the box it says that you have a lifetime warranty, which is a pretty good. So assuming that you're gonna have a small card, you need to go to the website and you register your product. Very easy. As you can see here, I'm gonna show you what we have on the box. I'm gonna leave the box here on the side. So this is the card that I was talking about. So probably you need to go to the main website. Actually, you can scan the product with your smartphone. Also, we have a nice booklet for we have a sticker as well, which is very good. Thank you for that. We have some booklet here for some different products. This company is very good. They have a variety of cables. So just have, if you have a time, look them. I'm gonna leave the website in the description. So have a look. You'll be super amazing, because this company is very good, and the cables are very good. They're strong, durable. You don't need to buy cables every month, because end of the day, if you start to look how much you spend for cables, you spend a lot. Can see here, let me show on the camera properly. This is a lightning connector for iPhone. Wow, that's pretty good. As you can see, I already like this. It's called night cable lightning connector, and I don't know if you can see on the camera, this here, it's very strong. It's pretty good actually, and it's 10 meters. 3 meters, 10 feet, which is a pretty good. Yeah, I think it's, yeah, so 10 feet, 3 meters. So my question was, how often you buy your cables? I mean, if you thinking that you spend like every 2-3 months, like $15-20, that's a lot of money. With this cable, you just buy once and you set. I know this was a quick video. My name is Stefan. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe if you didn't. And I'm gonna leave this bad boy in the description down below. And yeah, have a look. Check the website. There's a cool stuff there, and maybe you like something. My name is Stefan. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye for now, and stay safe.